What's going on, guys? This is Chandler Smith, and I know a lot of you are anxiously awaiting to see if I lost my house loan. And we've got good news and bad news, and I've also got a kindred spirit that's in a similar situation.
Very, very similar.
So we're gonna talk through what happened, good and bad, and see if either one of us get to keep our home.
We'll find out in 3 weeks.
For you?
I either lose it or I keep it.
So we are down to the final hours for me, and we're gonna explain. So with all that said, let's jump into it. So this is the garage. I got chargers 2 and 2.
Wait, how many cars do you have though?
Not as many as you.
Because I count room for maybe 12 cars and I think you have 3?
Yeah.
So you got a lot of cars.
I got the Raptor, the TRX, the Porsche Taycan, and the Lambo.
Okay, good.
And so I sold this in
4 or 5 cars.
Yeah. Maybe.
Can you take credit for this, or is this all your wife? Like, did she help?
This is all her.
Okay, that's what I was gonna say.
Really pretty.
That's what I was gonna say.
Yeah.
It's my house, like I don't know what I'm doing.
The part that is me, that's really cool that they just finished, is we just got the smart home completely good to go. So you can run all the lighting, all of the music, everything from your phone. That's and cool. With these, like, you can turn on exterior and there's all kinds of cool stuff. So I'll have to show it to you.
Oh, this is okay. We don't have countertops yet?
We still have a long ways to go. That's what I'm saying.
But he's got a drinking fountain. Yeah, you got your drink. Okay, so you'll stay hydrated. But you have, it's so weird to see what you're missing and what I'm missing. Because I have countertops.
Really?
I don't have railings yet.
Really?
Yeah.
See, in order to get our certificate of occupancy, we just needed countertops on a kitchen area and a bathroom, I think, was what it was. This is our kitchen area, but luckily we have another one downstairs.
Oh, seriously? Oh, you only need one.
Yeah.
Kitchen. Okay.
Yeah, so these are hopefully going in the next 2 to 3 weeks.
This is sick.
So the uppers are going to be white, and then we still have so much to do.
So legit. Yeah, your neighbors are gonna hate you.
Yeah, a little bit. You gotta get Yogi over here.
That's actually much louder than I expected. For whenever you want to rock out the random music all throughout the house.
Check this out. I can shut down all the lights on the house, I think.
What system is this?
Control 4.
Okay, so I have some Control 4 stuff in my house, but not as much. When can you move in? Monday?
So we could move in whenever, but it is not move-in ready at all.
Yeah, for sure.
Colby, did I blow out the speakers?
Yeah.
Did I ruin them? I saw you wondering, I'm like, oh no, what have I done? Well, we don't get demonetized for playing that one.
That's perfect.
What are you working on?
Just lighting, getting that all finished up, just getting the sound all tweaked out.
Dude, that sound is sick. Thank you so much.
Yeah, sounded awesome.
Colby is the only person that stays late and actually meets all the deadlines.
But
everybody else
nice
is
to have at
busy.
least one guy.
Yeah. see yours because there's so many of these like frilly things
Uh-huh.
that I'm like, they look cool, but if I was building it without my wife, I would just have cans everywhere.
Right. You'll see my house is definitely more of a like man's. Like it's very. I don't want to say basic, but
Well, just like, yeah, I mean, I'm more into that. Like this light, never would have chose it. It's
but
pretty
it's
cool.
pretty sick though.
Yeah, it's cool.
It adds a lot, honestly.
Yeah.
I love all the accents on the ceiling.
Now, I was gonna ask you, didn't you get your hardwood put in like way early?
Yeah, I've had my floors in forever.
Because we just put ours in. We were like one of the last.
Interesting pieces.
They've been doing this the last 2 days.
Oh, that's gonna be sick though. That's so cool.
Somehow it's like colder up here.
This is just how I thought it would be.
Oh yeah, with all the
Stars and
cars
stuff.
parked, that looks so amazing.
That would be sick.
And that's such a cool view. Because that house is gorgeous, obviously, too, and like the suns, like with the sunsets.
Thanks, man. This is the other laundry room.
Oh, cool, nice. That's the one thing I wish I did. I wish I had a laundry room on the second story, too.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, the barn door.
Yeah, it'll be glass barn doors.
Sweet.
You've got some cool glass doors.
Are you gonna like just grass that all, or are you just gonna kind of leave it natural?
So, I
or-
can show you if you want to see. This one's kind of a little orchard back here.
Yeah. That's gonna be so nice. What's your landscaping plan? Are you just waiting on that for a bit, or?
No, we're doing it all in the next 2
okay.
months. It was a little over $700,000 for the landscape.
How far back is yours the fence?
No reaction from that?
Yeah.
$700,000.
Back there, it's like a canal. It's a pretty big canal.
Okay, the back of my property has a canal too.
Really? I love
It's kind
it.
of nice because it's like a natural border in a sense, you know?
Yeah. Well, it was fun because we always used to float this when we were kids.
Oh, cool.
We'd come sneak in here.
Right, yeah. That's what
It makes it fun.
Dude, this is sick. Congrats,
man.
congrats. This is insane.
Oh, thank you. So this is a theater.
This is what I wanted to see.
This Colby, that guy, he's the man. So that'll be a big screen, and he went all out with the speakers and stuff, which should be fun. And the lighting.
Yeah, you'll have Dolby Atmos in here.
This is so sick.
Perfect for watching Bluey and Blippi and
Stradman.
Stradman.
Oh, these are all suspended slabs,
Right.
and there are cracks between them.
Right.
And so we put the lights on them. I didn't want to build it down because
Right.
then we just have less headspace.
For sure, yeah.
So that's just the garage right
Do you guys
above.
have to trim out more space, or did they just?
No, because they're all uneven. So you just put them up against whichever edge hangs down from the suspended. So it's like a locker room. So you've got the pool room upstairs and then the basketball court here.
Yeah.
So
That's cool.
we'll have like a poker table, and this will be kind of like the hangout. Because this half of the house is separate from like the main house.
Right, yeah. So when friends come over, they can
Yeah.
garage,
Kinda.
pool, here, yeah.
Yep. So yeah, the pool won't, well, at least it doesn't look like it will, what's the word? Like destroy a body if you throw it in?
How deep is it?
It looked bad for a while.
How deep is it over there?
So it goes up to like 7.5 feet.
Perfect for a cannonball, boys.
Yeah.
You're up first, Yogi.
I'm really excited to see yours.
I'm nervous, like when the house is all done, to like, because there's gonna be so many people who want to come see it. It's just gonna be like this constant. I feel like for like 2
I'm gonna
months.
throw a ranger in here.
You know it,
Invite
bro.
5,000.
We just gotta not invite Ryan and watch all these guys.
Super drunk on Red Bulls. Super drunk on Red Bulls.
Soffit? Is that what that stuff's called? Whatever that stuff is underneath, like that.
I always mix up soffit and fascia.
Yeah, that's why you just say soft. I think that's. Does anyone know? Is the underside
think
soft
fascia
or is that
makes
fascia?
sense.
I
That
think
makes
that's
sense,
fascia.
right? The underside is fascia? It
don't
makes sense that the
Yeah, the
Edges would be
like the
fascia.
face.
Luke,
You're
you
right,
must
the edges
know.
are fascia.
What's soffit and what's
go to
fascia?
Fixed Light Company.
Isn't the underside
I
soffit?
got something to do. I don't know.
All right,
I think
so
the face is fascia. I think you're right.
Yeah, I think so.
here's what happened to me, so you
Okay.
know. We had until, I told my builder and everyone we had till the end of July. I even put it on the YouTube channel.
Right.
He said, we'll make it. We did not make it. But
Right.
luckily, I lied. When my actual deadline
I've done the same
was
thing.
August 15th, I lied. I gave him an additional 2 weeks.
Yep.
We got down to it. I didn't think we were going to make it.
Right.
Called my bank and they're like, that's too bad.
Right.
But we made it. Like literally, and right now I still don't know for sure because the 15th is Monday and we have our certificate of occupancy, but I don't know if like the appraiser is going to come in and be like, this is not anywhere close.
Well, they
Like,
just
that
have
will
to
hang us
appraise
up.
the value to what your loan is, right? Though, like the house doesn't have to be finished. It's just appraised value at time, right?
Yeah, it just, that's the thing. Nobody, the loan officer's like,
Right.
so
So
right
here's
now.
what you're gonna do. You're gonna call the appraiser, and you're gonna give him the Lamborghini for the weekend,
That's a good
right? Give him the Lamborghini for Saturday and Sunday.
It wouldn't be the first time we bribed someone to get this house done.
Cut that out. It is gorgeous, dude. First, just congratulations. Like
Thanks,
this
dude.
is insane. It's so
Well-
crazy how our timelines have been the exact same. Like we started the same time. We're gonna the finish line at the exact same time. Every hurdle has been the exact same hurdles. Cost of
Yeah.
raw materials, interest rates, like.
Slight correction on what you just said, because you definitely started like 6 months after
Did I
me,
really?
and yet have caught up and passed me.
Well,
So-
yes and no.
So your people have been cooking, but still, you're
Still, well,
You also took a 5-month break.
but yeah, you also have all the landscaping.
I'm
knowing
just
the
saying
pool and
props to
stuff.
you because
Well, I
holy
can't
cow,
take any
like,
credit.
It's you've been cooking, but.
This is beautiful.
All right, guys, that's the end of the video. I filled you in. We're still on a cliffhanger because we have to wait till Monday to see if officially the loan is good. But I think we're in a good place and hopefully you enjoyed the tour. Thanks, guys.